When you have mastered the art of how to make a girl chase you, some say you've just discovered the Holy Grail. Ask Men experts have done the research and studies that uncover useful and often clever pointers to make women chase you. Time for you to pay attention so you can use these tactics and watch the girls swarm you. Let's start the countdown. 1. Nail the first impression. Most guys seem to have mastered the art of screwing up from the starting gates when it comes to women. The majority of men let their nerves get the best of them, and when you are sweating and acting insecure, you are openly turning any girl off stone cold. When you muster up the courage, mind over matter, to be confident and secure in yourself, you will transform into a total chic magnet. Work on getting confident and you're going to get girls to chase you. 2. Hide your desperation. If you are serious about getting women to chase you, then you've got to show them you aren't desperate. Make it a little challenging for her. Be powerful and show her you are strong and secure, even when you're not. Put the ball in her court from time to time and you're showing her you're not just going to roll over and play dead for her. She's got to work a little. 3. Prepare your questions. Be smart and prepared with your questions. Ask clever ones so she doesn't think you're a dork. Show her you are intelligent and that you have many different layers. When you intrigue a girl, the sky is the limit. 4. Get busy. Absence does make the heart grow fonder, and when you don't let her breathe, that's just not a good thing. Make sure you allow time for anticipation and excitement. If you want a girl to chase you, then you've got to give her a reason to get off her butt and do it. When you get lust from time to time, that's going to translate into a want for her, and she's going to look for a reason to chase you. 5. Find a way into her brain. You've got to learn to think like a woman if you want her to chase you. Get inside her head and you are on your way. One way to do this is to ignore her initial advances at least somewhat. This doesn't mean totally shut her down, but it will give her the impression you are busy and she's going to have to work to get your attention. This puts the ball in your court. Even if you are free to hang out on Friday, you might want to pretend you are busy and set it up for another night. Supply and demand is what it's all about. She needs to know you are in demand and she's going to want to chase you that much harder. 6. It's quiz time. You can't skip past this pointer. If you are serious about getting a girl to chase you, it's important that you know how to turn the tables. Take control of the situation and set her up to prove she is deserved of your time and attention. Be lighthearted and joking about it, but ask her what makes her so special compared to other women. This may seem a little harsh, but you've got to keep her on her heels if you want her to commit to chasing you. 7. Become expert in humor and cockiness. Find the balance. No doubt if you want the direct route to a girl, you need to be funny. That's scientifically backed, so there's no reason to challenge it. On the flip side, if you can find the perfect combination of humor and confidence or cockiness, you are 10 steps ahead of the competition. Girls love a man that knows who he is and can simultaneously make them belly laugh for real. Just make sure you don't cross the line on either or you'll send her running. 8. Just don't chase her, please. If you are taking a crack at anything that moves and throwing out cheesy pickup lines, you will never ever in a zillion years learn how to convince or sway women to chase you. When a guy is constantly chasing a girl, it's really just painful for her. The only reason she might be giving you the time of day is because she feels sorry for you. Ugh. When you choose to stop chasing women around, you will instantly create that magnetic attraction. With this attraction, you will learn how to use it to drive the women crazy. They are going to be attracted to you and hence the chasing will start. 9. Hang on to your cards. When you first meet a girl, be sure you aren't an open book. Be a little evasive and do not, under any circumstance, spill your guts. If you give her a little suspense and mystery, you are developing the essential draw of attention needed to get her to chase you.